Hey guys, we are in the Black Hills of South Dakota, and there's a ton of touristy crap here that we are going to go check out during the course of this video.
Yeah, we hope, we're also staying like at an RV park, which we usually don't do, so there's kind of some fun things here, and we're really looking forward. I'm taking a little bit of a breather from more work, or less work, more play. I don't know how to say that.
Yeah. All right guys, so come along with us and check out all of the crazy stuff, or just traditional touristy stuff that we're going to do that you can also do if you are in the Black Hills.
Yeah, it's fun.
Our first stop is in the town of Keystone. This was a great place to find some souvenir swag and Indian tacos. Mount Rushmore was designed by father and son Goodson and Lincoln Borglum. The project started in 1927 and was completed in 1941. I thought it would be a lot bigger.
That's what she said.
It's about to get tight, so let's check this out.
Enjoy.
Oh my goodness, I gotta bend way down here to not hit my head. That's the original entrance. Crawling down through that hole. So we are at the mountain coaster at Rush Mountain, which is like a gravity-fed coaster where we get to control the speed. So we're gonna hook cameras up on both of them here, and I don't know, we'll see what happens. Never been on it before.
funny. The person in front of Paul is going so slow that he keeps braking. Oh. Let's see if I can catch him coming down. This mountain coaster is designed to where you can't get too close to the cart in front of you. I don't know if they use magnets or some kind of sensor. So every time the person in front of you brakes, if they want to go real slow, you get stuck behind them. Oh, it'll be an interesting story to hear from him. I'm trying to not shake the camera from laughing.
See that?
So, although he got to go again, it was a little bit slower of a ride the second time.
Yeah, I had about 2 bursts of speed, and then at one point, actually at 2 points, I had to completely stop on the tracks to let her get ahead of me, which then made the person behind me slow down. I'm sure they were real happy with me.
There's a few more attractions we didn't try here, but I think it would be a really fun afternoon or morning or whatever to stop by and hang out if you're in the area.
You know, I never thought I would see the day where Amy would go in a cave.
I know.
She said to me, I will never ever do that. And not only did I get her in a cave, but she loved it.
I did really love it. We didn't get to take Normie with us on our adventures, so we thought we could say hi.
It was a no cats allowed.
He wants,
Ooh, little ornery.
he wants down. We're outside. We really enjoyed South Dakota. We wish we could spend more time in the area. The KOA park here is really beautiful and has an awesome pool. They kept it open late, so
yeah, we're in the time of the season where it's starting to change, and normally they've got the pool shut down right now, but we were able to find some really good hot patches of sun. They left it open, and we were able to go swimming.
Yeah.
And really enjoy the amenities here.
Yeah, and it was after Labor Day, so there were no kids.
Yeah, and there were a lot of bunny rabbits for Norman to chase, so he
fun.
doesn't want to leave. But I'm sure he's going to find more fun at the next location with more critters.
Yeah.
So if you guys like this video, hit the like button, and if you'd like to see more of ours, please subscribe.
Sure.
And we'll see you guys on our next adventure.
See you then.
All right.